Good morning students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Let's continue with the chapter number 11, that is geometry. In the last tutorial class, we have already learned about solids and plane and curved surface, faces, edges and vertices. Right, and one topic we have already done in our last tutorial class, more about solid shapes. First one is cube. So let's continue with this topic, more about solid shapes. Okay, so one we have done, and number 2 is cuboid. Now let me draw first cuboid. Students, this is the figure of cuboid. Okay, so cuboid, it's look like a rectangle की तरह होता है ये, but it has 6 plane faces. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now I'm counting again. प्लेन जो सरफेस होता है उसे ही हम फेस बोलते हैं. जैसे ये है आपका दिस फेस, दिस वन 1 and this one 2. Okay, this one, this is the upper side, this is the lower side of this face. Okay, 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that corner side, these are the faces. And 4, this one, this big rectangle, and here 5, sorry, 1 2 3 4, this one is 5, this one, this big one, and this one is 6. So it is a cuboid. It's a cuboid, and it has 6 plane faces. 6 plane faces like this. This one is face, and 12 edges. ये जो corners होते हैं, line होते हैं इसके, ये 12 हैं. Just count 12 edges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. जो लाइन सेगमेंट हैं, कॉर्नर्स हैं, ये इसके एजेस हैं. ओके, सो कितने एजेस हैं? 12 एजेस. इट्स फेसेस इज इक्वल टू 6 and edges is equal to 12. Let me show you the example of cuboid is this book. This maths book is also a cuboid. ये भी cuboid है, right? So 1 back side, 2 face, 3, okay, 4 5 this side and this side, 6. So 6 plane faces. This book has 6 plane faces. This is example of cuboid, and it has 12 edges. 12 edges होते हैं इसके. And now vertex. Come to the vertex. We know that the corner of a figure of diagram like rectangle, square or cube, cuboid, the corner, when 2 line segment meet, 2 or more line segment meet, that is known as vertex. इसे हम vertex बोलते हैं, and the plural of vertex is vertices. Okay, now how many vertices of a cuboid? Just count it. 1 2 3 4, right? 5 6 7 and 8. So vertices are 8. Vertices is equal to 8. So if we will write it as a sentence or as a definition form, so we'll write a cuboid has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, look at here in this figure, this line segment and this line segment meeting in a one single point. यहाँ पर एक मिल रही है ये, उसके बाद ये यहाँ पर मिल रही है ये दोनों, और फिर उसके बाद ये और ये लाइन यहाँ पर मिल रही है. दिस लाइन एंड दिस लाइन मीटिंग दिस पॉइंट, एंड दिस लाइन एंड दिस लाइन, sorry, this line meeting this point. So it has 8 vertices, right? And its opposite faces are identical. जो इसकी opposite faces होते हैं, right, जो upper most, this and this one, this one is also face. Okay, so these are the opposite, this one and this one also face. ये भी आपका face है, ये भी आपका face है. So these are identical. We know that a rectangle has two opposite sides are equal. जो rectangle होता है like this is the figure of rectangle. So it's two opposite sides. Like ये दोनों equal होती हैं and ये दोनों equal होती हैं opposite sides. Like जो हमारा cuboid होता है उसमें भी opposite faces are identical, means equal होते हैं. Okay. So I have already shown you the example of the cuboid is a book. Right. Let's move into next solid shape, that is cylinder. Cylinder. Can you give me the example of cylinder? Which objects you have seen in cylindrical shape? Yes, gas cylinder and sometimes a pen holder. And this is also a cylindrical shape. ये जो मार्कर पेन है आपका, this is also cylindrical shape. ये भी cylindrical shape में है. And paint can, post box, soft drink can, etc. This Fevicol is also in cylindrical shape. Look at this. And this water bottle is also a cylindrical shape. ये भी cylindrical shape में है. So let's draw the figure of cylinder. So it is like this. ये आपका cylinder है. And now a cylinder has two plane faces, right? This one and this one. जो plane surface है, जैसे ये water bottle है आपकी, this is water bottle. This one the plane surface, हमने इसको ऐसे रख दिया है. Okay. And this opposite side of this also we can keep this water bottle like this. हम इसे ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं, right? So these are the plane faces, both upper side and the lower side plane faces. So we'll write it plane face, and here this is also a plane face and one curved face. This one, ये आपका कर्व्ड फेस है, ये घूमा हुआ, ठीक है, ये जो घूम के बना हुआ है, दिस इज. सो दिस इज कर्व्ड फेस. कर्व्ड लाइन होती है, मैंने आपको पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया है, लाइक ऐसे जो आपकी लाइन सेगमेंट होती है कर्व ऐसे. तो दिस वन इज कर्व्ड फेस एंड दिस इज कर्व्ड एज. जो हमारी लाइन होती हैं, प्लेन फेस तो ये है बट इसकी कर्व्ड एज है, जो इसकी एज भी है, जो कॉर्नर्स होते हैं हमारे, वो इसकी कर्व है. दिस इज कर्व्ड एज. कर्व्ड एज. ओके. सो नाउ we'll write it as a cylinder has two plane faces, plane faces, two, and curved faces, one, curved, and what we have left, curved edges, 1 2 3 4, right? So no need to write this. Sorry, two edges, one, this one and this one, so two edges, right? So two edges, two, and no vertices. No vertices. So a cylinder has two plane faces and one curved face and two edges and no vertices. इसके कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है. ये यहाँ से बना है तो ये इसका कॉर्नर नहीं है, बिकॉज ये यहाँ से राउंड हो गया है. नाउ दिस इज़ द फिगर. आपको ये दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ पर से ये तो इसकी एज दिख रही है, यहाँ पर से आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये इसकी एज दिख रही है. नाउ लुक एट दिस फेविकॉल बॉटल. यहाँ पर आप देखिए, इसके कोई कॉर्नर्स हैं, वर्टिसेस हैं? नो, इसकी कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है, इसकी कोई वर्टिसेस. ये बिल्कुल राउंड शेप में है, कर्व्ड. ये कर्व्ड घुमा हुआ है, यहाँ पर भी इसकी कर्व्ड फेस है, ठीक है, राउंड है क्योंकि ये सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में है. एंड कम टू दिस बुक. अगर हम इस बुक की बात करते हैं तो इसकी एज हैं, यहाँ पर हैं, ये यहाँ से शुरू होके यहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है, फिर अगेन यहाँ से शुरू होके यहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है. सो इट हैज़ एजेस बट सिलेंडर हैज़ नो एजेस. सो come to the next solid shape, that is cone. Students, can you give me the example of cone? Yes, a birthday cap, a ice cream cone, joker's cap, traffic cone, etc. And I have a real object here, mehendi cone. This is a figure of a cone. Okay, look at this. This is a figure of a cone. Now we'll draw it here like this. When we'll draw it, you can see it easily. So this is the structure of a cone. It has one plane face. This one, only one plane face. Okay, this is one plane face. This is a cone. This is a mehendi cone, and it has one plane face, right? One plane face and curved face. This is curved face. This one, ये आपका curved face है, this round shape में जो है, and one vertex, this corner. You can see here, this corner is known as vertex, right? And one curved edge. So we can say that a cone has one plane face, one curved face, one edge, and one vertex. And I have already shown you the example of cone is mehendi keep, and many times you have seen that birthday cap, ice cream cone, etc. Right? So come to the next solid shape, which is number 5, sphere. Okay, sphere. So plane shape is a circle. This is plane shape. And spherical shape, we have here the example of spherical shape. Look at this. This is orange and this is an spherical shape. ये इसका shape कैसा है? orange का sphere है. So can you see its vertex? आपको इसकी vertex दिखाई दे रही है? No, it has no vertex. It has only like this. This is a ball, structure of ball, one curved face. It has only one curved face. This is the example of sphere, and it has only one curved face. It has no vertices and no edges. इसकी कोई edge नहीं है. Like this, ऐसे straight line जो होती है ये edge नहीं है और इसकी कोई vertex भी नहीं है. So today we have learnt about cuboid, cylinder. We have learnt about cuboid, cylinder, and cone and sphere. Right. So you have to write down all the definitions of these solid shapes in your maths notebook and draw the figure also and learn. Right. So come to its exercise. Let's solve its exercise here. Some I have given in your homework. Some we will solve in our worksheet. Okay. Now children, open your maths book. This is page number 184 and we'll solve this exercise. Okay, this is exercise 11D. Now question number 1. Take the correct word given in the bracket. जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड दिए हैं आपको टिक करना है. ओके, द टॉप ऑफ अ टेबल इज अ प्लेन कर्व्ड सरफेस. जो आपका ये टेबल का टॉप है वो प्लेन है और कर्व्ड है. You have to solve this exercise in your maths book only, and this is your homework. I have explained you plane, surface, curved, face, and edges, vertex मैंने आपको पूरा explain किया है. So just question number 1, tick the correct object. You have to solve this in your maths book only, and this is your homework. Right, here figures, here pictures are also given, and look at the picture. Now give the answer. Right, so come to the next question. This is question number 2. Tick the following objects having both the plane and curved surface. Here जिसमें कर्व्ड एंड प्लेन सरफेस दोनों हैं उसको आपने टिक करना है, उस ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको टिक करना है. ओके, नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विच वी हैव सॉल्व इन योर वर्कशीट. ये हमने वर्कशीट में सॉल्व किया है. सो लुक एट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन true and false. Now read the question carefully. This is also your homework. And this one, complete the following table by filling the correct numbers. Here solid shape given: cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and cube. So number of faces, number of plane faces, number of curved faces, and number of edges, number of vertices you have to write down. I have explained these shapes in previous tutorial class and this class also. So you will give its answer easily. The question number 5th, and all the questions depends on the shapes only. So just write down the definitions and read carefully, then give answer. This exercise you have to solve only in your book. Right, see you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye, have a nice day.